Ekabo, welcome to another Ede Yoruba lesson episode. In this one, we're going to be looking at command phrases Yoruba parents use. You might have heard some of these phrases, maybe not even just from parents, just from Yoruba relatives or people in positions of authority. Now with this one, we're going to, when I'm showing the phrases, you notice that they are in the contracted form of how you would say them. So what I mean by that is that, if I won't say I will go, I'll just say I'll go, because it's more natural to say it in the contracted form. Are you ready? Ejeka Bear. Wasibi. Come here. Wasibi. So if I was to say this in a long way, it will just be wa-si-ibi, but really we'll just say wasibi. It's more natural. Wambi. This is another way to say come here as well. It means exactly the same thing as the first one that I said. Wambi. So wasibi. If you break this down, wa-sibi. Bomi. So a parent might use this one. Let's say they want to bring your attention to something that they're about to say, something that they're about to tell you. They will say, Bomi. Listen to me. Bomi. Go me. Bomi. Sheon Bomi. Are you listening to me? This sometimes is a bit of a rhetorical question, by the way. Is for them, they're checking, are you listening to me? Are you paying attention to what I'm telling you? She o go me. She o go me. Jekalo. Let's go. So let's say, for example, you and your parents are out somewhere and, they're ready to leave or they want to go. They want to leave the house even. They say Jekalo. 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 Tell me. Follow me. Some of these are making me laugh because they just bring back memories. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Shekia. Hurry up. Shekia actually is almost like it's a shorter version of shekia. Kia is hurry or to hurry or hurriedly. Shekia. Dake. Be quiet or quiet. Dake. Parents might say this one if the person or the child, whatever, is talking too much or being noisy. They might just say dake, dake, dake. Benu dake. Shut your mouth or shut up. This one is an insult, by the way, please. So apply caution when you are using this one with any friends or family members. But a parent might say this to their child or someone younger. If the person is talking too much, then they just shut up, shut your mouth, be quiet. Benu dake, benu dake. Rora, take care. So Rora is almost like take care, take it easy. Parent might say that to a child, like take it easy, take care. Rora. Rora. Duro. Wait. Duro actually also means stand. So Yoruba is quite rich in that way. So you say, for example, essentially what they're trying to say here is duro as in like stand, wait, stop where you are, wait. Duro. Shora. Be careful. Shora. This one is quite self-explanatory, really. Shora. Joko. Sit down. Let's say the kid here is playing about, or they want you to just sit down. They're just telling you, look, sit down. Joko. Dide. Stand up. Dide also means to get up, by the way. So let's say, for example, you're there in bed, you've been sleeping all day, and your parents just come over and say, Dide, Dide, Nisho, go on or go ahead. A scenario where this might be used is, say, for example, you and your parents are somewhere and you're about to leave, but they specifically want you to walk in front of them. Have you had this scenario? I've definitely had it. So they want you to walk in front of them, so they say Nisho, go ahead. Nisho, Nisho. Wobi, look here. This one, when they say this, it's not necessarily always meaning look here, as in look physically at this thing or in this location. It's almost like a look here, as in pay attention as well. It can be used in that way. Wobi. Wobi. Ni suru. Ni suru. Be patient. This one is self-explanatory. It just says to be patient. Ni suru. Ni suru. Fetisile. Pay attention. Fetisile here, actually, fi eti sile, if you were to break it down. Fi is to put. So it's like put your ear down. Fi eti sile. Teti sile. Te eti sile. Te is to spread. So what it's saying here is spread your ears on the ground. It basically just means pay attention. So feti sile. Feti sile. Sorosoke. Speak up. So let's say you're mumbling something, your parents don't hear you, and they're like, Sorosoke, speak up so I can hear you. This actually was a slogan that was used for a popular campaign in Nigeria a few years back, if you might remember. Sorosoke. Speak up. Sorosoke. Sorosoke. Ṣé etí ẹ di? Are you deaf? This one is a bit of a rhetorical question, obviously. If you know you're not deaf, then you know what they're trying to tell you. Are you paying attention to what I'm saying? This one is not a very nice one, so just be careful when you're using it. Ṣé etí ẹ di? Ṣé etí ẹ di? Ṣé etí ẹ di? Mú wá. Bring it. So let's say the parent has asked the kid to go and grab something. They'll say mú wá. Bring it. Mú wá. Gbé sílẹ̀. Put it down. Gbé sílẹ̀. You're holding something in your hand and they want you to put it down. Gbé sílẹ̀. They'll say this one. Gbé sílẹ̀. Gbé sílẹ̀. Pè wá. Call he or she to come, usually to come over. You notice here, or if you don't notice anyway, there is no gender pronoun. So that he or she is almost not even really distinguished here. There's no gender pronouns in Yoruba. I can cover that in future videos, lessons if you're interested. Be, wa, be, wa. So we've covered some common ones, some common phrases that, parents or someone in authority, position of authority might use. Like in English, most phrases, depending on the tone that is being said, it can almost turn into a command or an instruction. So what this is called is like imperative verbs or imperative phrases or words. But practice these ones. If you hear them next time, at least you know what they mean. Eshego, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do show by giving it a thumbs up. It just helps me gauge, did you find the content interesting? Or if there are any topics you'd like me to cover in the future as well, feel free to put it in the comments or anything that you didn't understand that I've covered so far. Well, we will see each other next week. Bye.